If you're in the market for a direct-to-garment printer, today we're going to look at the Epson F2100 and go through all the reasons why this would be the ideal printer for you. So let's talk about a reason why direct-to-garment has been an issue in the past. Previously, the big issue was ink clogging up the print heads on a direct-to-garment machine. With this, it has an Aqueous-based ink system. It's way less likely to clog a print head using this. The maintenance is also super simple. You can open this lid. There's only a few things you're actually going to need to access in here. They're all really easy, really fast. So your weekly maintenance is going to be probably less than 10 minutes. Your daily maintenance is going to be maybe 1 minute on the machine, which makes it super easy to use and super user-friendly. Another big plus of the Epson F2100 is how little ink it will actually use. The Epson can actually use 10% less ink than some of the others on the market. The reason for that is that it has this cleaning cartridge here on the machine. That will allow you, instead of using ink to run through the lines, it will actually run the cleaning cartridge through the lines, making your ink last longer, which will save you money on the long haul with this printer. One more thing to know is that on the previous models, the white ink was the major issue with these machines. With this one, it's not nearly as big of an issue. All you're going to do is shake these cartridges once a day, run the nozzle check. If you do those 2 steps every day, you'll be perfectly fine. It'll definitely prevent you from having head clogs in the future, and it's really just that simple. Just give it a little shake. It's simple. One of the other big pluses with the Epson F2100 is just how easy it is to use. The software that it comes with, super user-friendly, really simple to get in, upload a design, and print to it. Once you send it from the software, all you have to do is press this blue button on the machine, as long as your shirt is already on the platen, obviously. Maintenance, super simple for daily maintenance. I'm literally going to press this button 3 times, press the OK button to print, and you're done. It's literally just that simple. Things you'll need to know if you're new to direct-to-garment is that you will need to either pre-treat your shirts or buy pre-treated shirts. This is a District T DTG shirt. It comes pre-treated. This shirt is ready to go onto this printer. You only need the pre-treatment if you're going to use white ink. So if you're not going to use white ink on, say, a white or a lighter colored shirt, you won't need to pre-treat them. These are going to be good to go. But for the most part, you're going to be printing on dark colored shirts, so you're going to want to pre-treat with something like a Lawson pre-treat machine, or you're going to want to buy pre-treated shirts. Some additional things you may need to purchase are going to be platens and the stand. This is the medium platen. It's 14 by 16. It's the size that it comes with. If you're going to do something like baby onesies, you may need the small. If you're going to do an extra large shirts, you may need the large platens. They also make some to do sleeves or like back tags on the shirt, all that kind of stuff. Those can all be purchased separately. The Epson does not come with a stand, so the stand you see here is bought separately. If you don't have a good place to set this, as it is rather heavy, we definitely recommend checking out the stand, as it's really easy to wheel it around wherever you may need it in your shop. And this even comes with a storage compartment. We hope we showed you just how easy the Epson F2100 is to use. Direct-to-garment has been pretty scary in the past. We hope to show you it's not as scary as it used to be, and it's a lot easier than it used to be as well. If you have any questions about anything you saw in today's video, you can leave a comment or you can reach out to us through our website and we'd be happy to help you. But thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.